Staying fit and healthy doesn't have to require an expensive gym membership or complicated equipment. In fact, there are many simple and easy things you can do every day to improve your health and help you lose weight. In this video, we'll be sharing 8 things you should do every day to stay fit and healthy. Number 1, start slowly. Starting a new workout regimen can be exciting, but it's important to take it slow to avoid burnout or injury. The danger of jumping in too quickly is that you may lose motivation or become too tired to continue. Instead, start by gradually increasing your physical activity. For example, if you haven't been exercising regularly, begin with shorter, low-impact workouts and build up over time. If you have any health issues or injuries, it's important to consult your doctor before starting a new exercise program. They can help you create a program that takes your unique needs and limitations into account. Remember that making changes to your fitness routine takes time and patience. So be kind to yourself and don't put too much pressure on yourself to achieve results immediately. Set small and realistic goals, track your progress, and keep consistency to make it a habit for the long run. Number 2, make it a habit. Making physical activity a habit is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle in the long term. To make it a sustainable behavior, it's important to incorporate regular exercise into your daily routine. This can include setting aside a specific time each day for working out or finding activities you enjoy and can do regularly. Planning ahead is key to make it consistent. It helps to schedule your workout sessions in advance. It can be helpful to plan them out for the entire week or month. This can help you stay on track and make it easier to stick to your workout plan. When you feel like you've hit a plateau or have become bored with your routine, try shaking up your daily schedule. You can try new exercises or workout classes, or switch up the time of day when you exercise. This can help refresh your body and keep things interesting, which can help you stay motivated. Number 3, stand up at work. Sedentary jobs can make it challenging to burn calories throughout the day. One way to combat this is by standing up at work. Studies have shown that standing burns 50% more calories than sitting, making it a simple yet effective solution. A standing desk is an easy option to consider, as it allows you to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. This can help increase your calorie burn and also improve your posture, energy levels, and overall well-being. Another way to include physical activity during work time is by taking regular walks around the office. Setting a reminder to get up and move every hour or during breaks can help increase your daily activity levels and also help refresh your mind. This small change can have a big impact on your overall health and fitness. Number 4, work out while watching TV. Many people tend to spend their time sitting while watching TV, which can lead to a sedentary lifestyle. To make the most of your TV time, try incorporating some physical activity while watching. A simple way to do this is to take advantage of commercial breaks or the end of an episode to do a few sets of jumping jacks or push-ups. This way, you'll be able to burn extra calories while also enjoying your favorite shows. Another way to use streaming services to your advantage is to use the feature of ads. If you're watching a show that has ads on, use them as a cue to do some physical activity. Every time an ad break comes up, you can use that time to do a few sets of exercises. You will be able to burn extra calories and also avoid being sedentary for too long. Number 5, clean your house. Cleaning your house is not only beneficial for keeping your living space tidy and organized, but also a great way to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Cleaning can be an effective way to burn calories and get moving. Activities like vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping are all examples of physical tasks that can help you burn calories while also keeping your home clean. These activities not only help you burn calories, but also improve your cardiovascular health and muscle tone. You can also try to add a little extra oomph to your cleaning routine by using heavier cleaning equipment or by working at a faster pace. This will increase the intensity of your workout and help you burn even more calories. It's a simple yet effective way to add physical activity to your daily routine and contribute to your overall health and well-being. Number 6, eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and overall health. A balanced diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of essential vitamins and minerals, while whole grains provide energy and promote healthy digestion. Lean proteins, such as fish, chicken, and beans, help to build and repair muscle tissue. It's important to monitor your food intake, paying attention to serving sizes, and be mindful of your overall calorie consumption. It's also essential to be aware of processed foods, which can be high in added sugars and preservatives, and can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Limiting your intake of processed foods, added sugars, and saturated fats, and incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help promote weight loss and improve overall health. Number 7, get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Proper sleep plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including weight regulation, hormone balance, and metabolism. Lack of sleep can lead to increased hunger and cravings for high-calorie foods, which can contribute to weight gain. Additionally, sufficient sleep is necessary for physical recovery, growth, and repair of tissues and muscles. It can boost your immune system and improve overall physical and mental health. The benefits of adequate sleep are numerous. It improves mood, concentration, and memory. Number 8, cook at home. Cooking at home can be a great way to improve your health and fitness. Not only does it allow you to control the ingredients in your food, but it also burns more calories than eating out or ordering in. Preparing your own meals can help you eat more healthily and also save money. When you cook at home, you have full control over the ingredients and can make sure that you are consuming healthy, nutrient-dense foods. This can lead to weight loss, improved digestion, and better overall health. Additionally, cooking can be a form of exercise in itself. All the movement involved in cooking, such as standing, light lifting, and chopping, can burn around 78 calories in just 30 minutes. However, it's important to remember that healthy eating is not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Being aware of portion size is just as important as choosing the right ingredients. And in this video, I will provide detailed information about these superfoods. So don't forget to check it out. Thanks for watching.